What an absolutely gorgeous pixie undercut for the first style. Such a gorgeous shape and texture for that one. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some short hairstyle ideas. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another very popular hair idea for 2023, and that involves the pixie bob. This one is absolutely gorgeous. Love the shape and texture of this one as well. You can also classify this as a mini bob because it is quite short. Very cute hairstyle. So moving on to look number 3, we have this beautiful pixie. She has this gorgeous dimensional blonde mixed in with the hair coloring. This is a longer pixie style or a pixie haircut. And she gives us a nice 360 view of this style. So moving on to look number 4, we have a classic pixie with bangs. I love how much volume this has, especially in the crown area. This would be a great hairstyle if your hair is on the thinner side and you are looking to add some volume to your strands. And then we move into the next one. This one is going to feature a hair transformation. So the stylist does do some cutting with this one. Mixes in some color.